Welcome to our channel. If you want to cancel your Rosetta Stone subscription, follow these step-by-step instructions to end your membership properly. Step 1. Log in to your Rosetta Stone account on the official website using your email address and password. Step 2. Click on your profile name or account icon in the top right corner of the page. Select Account Settings or My Account from the drop-down menu. Step 3. In your account dashboard, look for the Subscription or Billing section, where you can view your current plan and payment details. Step 4. Find the Manage Subscription or Cancel Subscription option. Click on it to begin the cancellation process. Step 5. Rosetta Stone may display your subscription details and ask if you want to continue. If you're certain about cancelling, proceed by clicking Cancel My Subscription. Step 6. You may be asked to provide a reason for cancelling. Select an appropriate option from the list or provide feedback to help improve their service. Step 7. Review the cancellation terms carefully. Note that you'll typically retain access to Rosetta Stone until the end of your current billing period. Step 8. Confirm your cancellation by following all on-screen prompts and clicking the final confirmation button. Make sure you complete the entire process. Step 9. Check your email for a confirmation message from Rosetta Stone, verifying that your subscription has been cancelled. Keep this email for your records. Step 10. If you subscribed through the iOS App Store or Google Play Store instead of directly through Rosetta Stone, you'll need to cancel through those platforms following their respective cancellation procedures. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.